Hey there, entrepreneurs and freelancers. Ever feel like traditional banks just don't get the hustle? Stuck with clunky interfaces, hidden fees, and a million hoops to jump through? Yeah, we've all been there. That's where challenger banks like Qonto come in, promising a streamlined, digital experience designed for the modern business owner. But with so many options popping up, a crucial question arises: is Qonto available where you are? In this video, we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of Qonto's operational landscape, exploring the countries it serves and the exciting possibilities it holds for your business banking needs. Why location matters: a globalized world, localized needs. The world of business is no longer confined by borders. Freelancers can work with clients across continents, and small businesses can tap into international markets. However, traditional banks often struggle to keep pace. Different regulations, currency complexities, and limited international reach can make managing your finances a nightmare. That's where Qonto's potential shines. As a challenger bank built for the digital age, it boasts a focus on flexibility and international compatibility, but compatibility with where? Zooming in on Qonto's territory, a European focus, for now. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Currently, Qonto operates in 4 European countries. France, Qonto's birthplace and its primary market. They have a strong presence here, catering specifically to French SMEs, small and medium-sized enterprises, and freelancers. Germany, following its success in France, Qonto set its sights on the robust German market. They offer their services to German entrepreneurs, aiming to simplify their financial management. Italy, the land of opportunity and passionate businesses. Qonto has established a foothold here, providing Italian entrepreneurs with a modern banking solution. Spain's thriving entrepreneurial ecosystem welcomes Qonto's arrival. Spanish freelancers and businesses can now leverage Qonto's features to streamline their finances. Looking beyond borders, the future of Qonto's expansion. While Qonto currently focuses on Europe, their ambition doesn't stop there. There have been whispers of potential expansion into other regions, with rumors swirling about North America and beyond. However, for now, it's best to keep an eye on their official channels for any updates on further global reach. The takeaway: is Qonto your business banking match? So, the answer depends. If you're a business owner or freelancer based in France, Germany, Italy, or Spain, Qonto could be a perfect fit. However, if you're located outside of these regions, you might have to wait a bit longer. But hey, the world is constantly evolving, and challenger banks like Qonto are known for their agility. Who knows, maybe they'll be setting up shop in your neck of the woods soon. Staying updated, keeping your finger on the pulse. In the meantime, stay informed. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on the ever-changing landscape of business banking. We'll keep you updated on Qonto's potential expansion, as well as explore other challenger banks that might be a better fit for your location. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.